all of those people from different countries was amazing.
And the whole experience was unforgettable.
Thank you.
The trip to Wales was my favorite adventure.
I had the best time of my life.
It was amazing. Meeting new friends and seeing the old ones was awesome. It was one of the best experiences of my life.
It was amazing and I will never forget it.
I met my great friend Fatma Noor. I experienced the kindness of Turks.
Love and miss you all!
The families were very kind to us.
Our experience with snails was interesting.
Paris was beautiful. You don't get a chance to visit the Louvre every day.
I loved the trip to France and I made a lot of new friends.
Bye!
I had a great time in Italy.
It was a wonderful adventure.
Everything was perfect and the food was delicious.
It was a fantastic life experience.
I enjoyed the trip very much and people were so kind.
Ciao!
I'm grateful for that amazing experience. Karascoran and people there were so nice.